Hey DIYers, how you doing? This is Antonio D'Armiento, Howlin' Hammer, DIY Adventures with Paws. Good morning, it's early for us. We are just getting ready to head in for an adventure. We are working in a corporate facility today. One of my normal clients has a big company and he needs a flat screen television mounted today in one of his offices, his conference rooms. So there's a lot of corporate people working in here today. There's a lot of cubicles, so we kind of got to be a little quiet. So I kind of got to leave my crew sitting back and relaxing today in the work van. So anyway, just want to give you a couple heads up on a few things before we go in. I can't really do too much talking. But so we're doing a flat screen television, big television set, and we're doing a zoom camera mounted to it as well for the meetings. We're installing a heavy duty bracket for the back of the television so it can swivel up, down, side to side. The main thing is that you want to make sure that you have wood construction, and if you don't have wood construction studs, being this is a corporate building, they are metal studs, so we want to make sure that we properly fasten the bracket so it's in there secure for a heavy-duty television set. So just beware of that. Make sure that your TV has a nice backer board on the back of the bracket. We're also going to be putting an electrical outlet in. If you're not comfortable with that, you might want to get somebody that can install that for you. We're just running it up about 5 feet above the receptacle down below on the wall, which we're going to show you. So unless you want to shut off the electric and give a go at it, but those are the main things as far as doing this job. Once you get the bracket installed, you can hang the television and hook up your camera and get everything programmed. And it's a fairly easy install. Just follow the directions in installing the bracket and getting that electrical taken care of properly. So we're going to head on in. We're going to be in whisper mode. So here we go. Get your coffee. Adjustable flat screen television bracket. And you will see how that operates once we get that installed. You just want to follow all the directions and use the template that comes with it and mount it to the proper height that you guys are going to want. We have some electrical wire. We're going to move an electrical outlet up above for the television. So you're going to need some mounting screws for the bracket, some electrical box and plate and that sort of kind of stuff. Level and tape measure, and there's our camera we'll be using. Comes with the television package and our flat screen TV. So where we're at right now is the bracket is now mounted in place. You'll notice a plywood 1-inch backer board behind there. I extended the plywood over to the right. Wanted to catch one more stud. The bracket is centered in the wall, so it is a little offset, but this TV bracket is adjustable, so you can slide the television back and forth. But in order to carry a large screen television, we just want to make sure we can carry the weight because we have metal studs behind this wall. So we just mounted the television on the bracket. We have the camera installed, and it's all ready for conference meetings. All adjustable left to right, back and forth. Easy to hook up your cables. Just a matter of finishing the electric down below. So we're done. We wrapped it up. TV's in. You guys saw step by step. We couldn't really show everything because we're kind of on a time restraint. We had to get out of there. They needed the conference room pretty shortly. So, but yeah, that's kind of basically how it's done. Thank you guys for tuning into our channel. Thumbs up. And come on, Taco, pause up. And please hit the subscribe button on our channel. And we look forward to you know, a lot more videos, and you know, hopefully you guys can make some suggestions of what else you want to see. But you know, we're everywhere. Never know where I'm going to be.